Hi children. Today's topic reproduction in plants. As you know, many plants reproduce through seeds. This is called seed germination picture. The seed develops into a proper shoots, root system and leaves when it gets proper sunlight and water. As you know, there are few plants can reproduce through various parts of the plant. Few plants they can reproduce through stems, through leaves, through roots. Now we are going to discuss about which plants are going to reproduce through stems. Reproduction in stems. This is potato. Potato is an underground stem. When you carefully observe potato, the scars of the potato, you can see observe the scars of the potato. On potato, it is called eyes. These eyes will develop into buds. As the buds slowly develop into roots, shoots, leaves, which will develop into new plant. This picture, potato with eyes. This is called onion. It is an underground stem. The shape of the onion is a bulb shape, so it is called bulbous underground stem. From the tip of the onion, you can observe new leaves, new stem, shoot system will arise. So if we cut the tip of the onion and place it for a few days, you will observe new leaves will arise from the tip of the onion. This is rose plant. Cut the stems of rose plant and plant it in the pot. You will observe new buds, leaves will develop, and later you can see a beautiful flowers arising. So this is a stem cutting rose plant. This is bougainvillea plant. The stem cuttings of bougainvillea plant will develop into a new bougainvillea plant. And this is hibiscus plant, which is also called a shoe flower. The stem cuttings of the hibiscus plant will develop into a new plant. This is sugarcane plant. The stem cuttings of the sugarcane will develop into a new sugarcane plant. This is strawberry plant. As you know, the long thin stems of strawberry will pass along the ground. They run along the ground, so they are called runners. As long as the thin long stems, each thin long stem plant into each pot, that will develop into a new plant. Like this, strawberries will arise from the long thin new stems. Now we are entering into the reproduction through leaves. This is a plant named bryophyllum. Yeah. And this bryophyllum edge of the leaf, you can see buds. These buds will develop into new leaves. When the leaf falls down onto the ground, each leaf or bud will develop into again new plant. The edge of the leaves are having new buds. When these edges, when one leaf falls, all the edges of the buds will develop into a new individual plants. This is a bryophyllum plant through reproduction in leaves. Now we are entering into reproduction from roots. How does it happen? This is a carrot. Carrot is an underground root. When you wash the carrot separately and keep it in a glass jar having water and proper sunlight, you will get into a new plant. You can see even the sweet potato. The next picture. Sweet potato is also an underground root. Just cut the sweet potato from the leaves, wash it and keep it in the bowl. Or you can place it near the window which is giving a proper sunlight. Or else you can place it in the glass bowl which contains water. So it takes the water and the sunlight and develops into a new plant, sweet potato plant. You can observe in the picture how the leaves and stems are arising. So children, thank you for observing.